Hey, what's going on, my friend? Justin Temple here with a quick video on Supreme Profit Systems 2024, and we're going to go over what is Supreme Profit Systems and how you can use Supreme Profit Systems to make $500, $1,500, $3,500, $7,500, and $11,000 in commissions. And I'm going to show you how I coach you and help you in the bonuses that I give you on my team, because they're the best bonuses any sponsor will ever offer you in any program in this industry. So I am one of the only people that you ever want to work with, and I can confidently say I'm the only one that you want to work with. So when you see my bonuses, you're going to know exactly what I'm talking about. No one does what I do for my team. So let's get into this Supreme Profit Systems review. Please like, subscribe, comment, hit the bell notifications for future videos on SPS and home-based business, okay? Now, my story, I started in affiliate marketing, network marketing at 15 years old. I dropped out of high school at 16 years old. I became a top 200 earner inside of that program. The company went out of business. I went to other industries, did very well, and then came back to affiliate marketing and during the shipping crisis to sell digital products. And then I earned my freedom 8 months later, coming back into affiliate marketing with this YouTube channel. And then now I'm able to be free. I don't have to work a job, and I help and coach my team. Okay, so that's basically my story real quick without taking forever. And then, so let's get into Supreme Profit Systems. Okay, so here is the sales page of Supreme Profit Systems. Okay, here's the video right here. The levels to join are right here. And basically, you're going to visit this page, and people are going to call a 1-800 number. So you're going to call my 1-800 number, okay? So 1-800-771-0769 after you watch this video, okay? So this program is designed to get people to call you and leave a message. So that's something that I really like about this program and also they're going to tell you what level they want to join at. So you're going to pick up the phone, or actually like you have a dashboard at your 1-800 number, so you can actually click on it and listen to the voicemail on your computer, and you'll hear, "Hi, my name's Jessica, and I want to join at the $3,500 level. My phone number is 480-582-4372. Thank you so much." And so people are literally going to say, "Hey, I want to join at this level," and you're going to call them back and say, "Okay, awesome. How would you like to pay? I can do Cash App, PayPal, cash check, Venmo, Bitcoin, Ethereum, things like that." So anyways, so that's what this program is. That's what Supreme Profit Systems is. It's not like a complicated sales funnel. It's not like webinars and things like that. It's a very simple, upfront, get paid directly, affiliate system, high ticket, mid to high ticket. And then here's testimonials right here. So we have great testimonials from a handful of members, and there's also more people that have made money with this system. Now, results are not guaranteed. Please refer to income disclaimers when it comes to home business. Most people don't make any money in affiliate marketing, home-based business, network marketing because they don't follow instructions and don't get good training and mentorship. But anyways, let's go ahead and scroll down here. What I really want to show you is going to be the levels. Okay, so with Supreme Profit Systems, the levels are very important to understand. Okay, so there's the $500 level, the $1,500 level, the $3,500 level, the $7,500 level, and the $11,000 level. Okay, so what you need to understand is basically this is what you make. Okay, you make this. Whoops, you make this. Okay. And then when someone pays the admin fee, here's the admin fee, okay? So then here's the commission plus the admin fee. So that's the total of $667, $1,747, etc. Now, what you need to understand about this really quick is not what it reads right here. What you need to understand real quick is right here. It says 48-hour action taker bonus. So when you get started at the $1,500 level, you get upgraded to the $3,500 level for free. Okay? When you get started at the $3,500 level, you get upgraded to the $75 level for free. When you get started at the $7,500, you get upgraded to the 11,000 for free. Okay, so the $500 does not get an upgrade, but the 1,500 gets upgraded to the 35. Okay, the silver gets upgraded to the gold gets upgraded to the platinum gets upgraded to the diamond, and then what you really need to know is when you get upgraded, if you're going to join at the 1,500, right, if you're going to send your sponsor 1,500, right, when you decide to click the link down below, visit my website, call the 1-800 number, and get started and send me $1,500, when you upgrade, you're going to pay this admin fee, which is the next level admin fee. Okay, does that make sense? So when you send me 1,500 and you get upgraded to the 3,500, you're going to send me 1,500 and then pay this admin fee to the admin. And you're going to set up your account at the $3,500 level. Okay? So this page right here is the page that you get after you send your sponsor your payment. You're going to get this after you send me your payment. And this is where you're going to register. Okay? So click register. And you're going to register at the level that you're being upgraded to. Okay, so if you send me $1,500 and you want to be upgraded to the next level, the gold, you're going to pay the gold admin, and you're going to create, so you'll create the gold level membership and then pay the admin. Okay, so you'll pay the admin inside of your membership. But anyways, that's really important to understand when you get started in Supreme Profit Systems. So that's very, very critical to know. And then you might be thinking, like, why join at the $11,000 level? Because, okay, if I join here and I pay this admin fee, I can just get qualified here, be all in. So why would I join at the $11,000 level? Well, I'll be honest with you. The company says they'll run a $1,000 advertising campaign for you, free of charge. However, that's really the only thing that you get. Okay, so what I recommend on my team is join at the $7,500 level, which means you'll be upgraded to the 11 for free, and then pay this admin fee, right? And so for the difference of $3,500, you can actually run your own advertising, and I'll show you which traffic I buy. So rather than having SPS run a $1,000 advertising campaign for you, what if I just gave you my #1 traffic source and you spent 3.5 times more on that traffic source? Wouldn't that be better? Right? So rather than putting $1,000 into whatever SPS is going to do, which we don't know and we can't track it, why not just put that $3,500 into a proven traffic source that your mentor and sponsor uses to actually get you to the program or buyers to the program, right? So I recommend on my team you get started at the 75, pay the 54,547 admin fee. That way you're all in qualified. Now you have the $3,500 difference to go ahead and use my #1 proven traffic source. Okay, so that's what I recommend in Leverage Profit or Supreme Profit Systems. It was called Leverage Profit Systems. But anyways, let me show you my bonuses real quick. And really quick before I show you my bonuses, they do have done-for-you pages, and they do have a 100% done-for-you system that follows up with your leads. So you can promote these capture pages and buy traffic to these capture pages, okay? And there's a name, email, phone number, and then there's some with name and email, right? So there's name and email, and then name, email, phone number for each one. Now, what I recommend is that you don't build other people's list. So the whole goal of advertising and buying solo ads is not to build other people's list. The whole goal is to build your list so that way you can remarket to these opt-ins, to these leads on your list, your subscribers, on a daily basis without having to spend a bunch of money on solo ads again. Okay? So what I recommend, and what I do for my Supreme Profit Systems team, is I actually build you a custom funnel, okay? So that way you can build your own list and control your own business and make way more money and actually get better returns on your solo ads and advertising. So, excuse me real quick. Sorry. Anyways, so here's my capture page right here, and I build this for you. It has an exit pop-up, and then when you click on the video, whoops, let me get rid of this. When you click on the video, it has the same pop-up, right? And then it has a button right here, okay? So when you go ahead and go to the next page, it will look like this right here. It'll look like Google. Just kidding. It'll look like this right here. Okay, so here's the page that people go to, and here's your thank you page. So whoops. So I'll build this capture page for you, okay, the one that I just showed you, and then, oh, it's taking a second to load. And then I'll build you this thank you page right here, okay, and it'll have your picture, your name, your phone number, your email. If you don't want your phone number, you could I could put your Facebook. I could put just your email or whatever you want. You could put text only, right? You could say text only and just get text messages. But anyways, I built this really nice video and page and funnel, and I'll show you more about it as well. But when you click play, it actually has testimonials at the beginning of the video, and then it goes to a bridge video of you. Well, this is going to be a bridge video of me, okay? But anyways, let me let this load real quick. Okay, so sorry about that. Okay, so here's the testimonials.
This is the first time in 30 years that I haven't been able to get my hours. So I was looking for something, and I found this system. It's provided a good part-time income for me.
Okay. So we have multiple testimonials in here real quick. Okay. So we got testimonials at the beginning. It's just taking a second to load, so it's a little bit annoying and not looking that great. But anyways, there's testimonials here, and then I will edit your bridge video right here. And I can even make a slideshow for you and put your story in the slideshow so that way this is an easy slideshow where you don't show your face. So I can actually make it completely faceless for you. And so that's why I'm the best sponsor to join in any program, because this is what I do for my team in all programs that we build. So I help you build a custom funnel. I help you put some testimonials after the opt-in, and then your bridge video. And then we have a call to action to click the button below. We have your information. So let me show you what the page looks like after the timer runs out and show you my team bonuses as well. Okay, so this is one of my bonuses, right? The funnel. Oh, I guess it didn't. That's okay. I thought this page had taken the time to load, but no problem. Let me go ahead and just go back here and go back to the page. Okay, so we'll go to the thank you page. Alright, so here's the page right here. We have a button up here that pops up when the timer runs out. And then we've got a button right here that pops up when the timer runs out. And then we have our bonuses. Okay, so on my team, I have awesome bonuses. So one, I clone this funnel for you. That's the first bonus. And I help you do a bridge video. I actually set up 30 emails in your autoresponder that go back to your bridge video and thank you page. So that's all automated, set up, done for you. I do that on a consistent basis, is set up my team's funnels and systems. So that way you don't have to do anything technical. You get personal coaching and access to me. You can call me, ask me anything. I'll help you with whatever you need. Proven traffic source. I'll just give you my best traffic sources. And number 4 is free clicks. Okay, so anyone to get started with me in Supreme Profit Systems at the $1,500 level or higher, not the $500, but $1,500 or higher, I'll actually buy you clicks from my number 1 proven traffic source. Okay? So very, very powerful. I will reinvest part of the commission that I get back into your business after I even build your business for you and make it way better. Okay? So thank you so much. That's why I'm the best sponsor for any program, especially Supreme Profit Systems. That way the high ticket is worth it, and you're going to be able to get better conversions and better results. Click the link down below. Thank you. Have a wonderful day, my friends. Click the link down below.